Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. I'm very grateful for the new subscribers who joined the family. I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Keep It Simple Sunday. This is hosted by Melissa Makes It DIY and co-hosted by DIY Savvy Mommy. So if you haven't already been to their channels, I would recommend you to visit their channels. They have amazing creative content and there's a link for their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So as the title says, Keep It Simple Sunday, I'm planning to do something very simple project here, and I'm trying to do a night lamp that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to decorate this with some of the snowflake ornaments, and I'm going to use a little bit of this glittery paint, silver color, and I have a foam brush. I'm going to use one of this foam ball. So with all this, I'm going to do a very simple project. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is the final result of the snowflake night lamp, and as we know, this is the both of them are from Dollar Tree, the night lamp as well as the snowflake and the vase filler, the snow, school glue, everything, and also my glitter paint as well, silver glitter paint. So as you saw the process, I just painted the silver glitter paint on top of the night lamp, and then I let it dry. And after that, I stuck some of the snowflakes around it just to give like this lamp is drenched with snow and one of the snowflake got stuck in there. So that's the effect I want to give there. And I stuck one of the bigger snowflake with centered with one of the vase filler. And it's so beautiful. I can't even tell you how I enjoyed working on this project. It is so simple, so easy, and yet it looks like very elegant. I hope you think the same way as I'm thinking. So this is so beautiful, you guys. I'm so loving it. And the glow of the blue color with the snowflake on top of it, it is just giving me like a cozy winter evening. So I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. So please let me know your thoughts on the comment section. And if you like it, just give me a thumbs up. So this is my snowflake night lamp. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you again.